This video will show you how to install and use the ABUS Shield 5650L NR rear wheel lock. You'll need a 4mm Allen wrench, the wheel lock and key, and the hardware that comes pre-installed on your Rad City, which consists of a bolt and a washer at both mounting points. To install the lock, start with the bike turned off and propped on the kickstand. The wheel lock should be used only when the bike is turned off and parked. First, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 bolts and washers from the seat stay. Keep the washers on the bolts and set them aside. Orient the lock so the logo arch is facing forwards. Note the 3 mounting points. You will use the mounting point farthest from the opening to install the lock. Pass the lock through the bike frame just behind the seat tube. Rotate the lock as shown and carefully push the lock arms over the fender and tire. Press the lock into place with the correct mounting holes against the mounting points on the frame. Pass a bolt and washer through the mounting hole farthest away from the opening and carefully thread it into the frame's mounting point by hand part way. Repeat on the other side and then use a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten both bolts securely. To lock, turn and hold the key in position. At the same time, move the lever on the other side of the lock downwards fully so the lock closes through the spokes. Then return the key to its original position and let go of the lever. Remove the key and take it with you and double check the lock is secure. To unlock, insert and turn the key. The lock will open automatically. Remove the key from the lock before riding. Always check that the lock is unlocked and the key is removed before getting on to ride. Reach out to Rad Power Bikes product support if you have any questions, and ride rad.